Hello. Hi, this is Cassandra. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome in. If you are returning, welcome back. I crochet here, sometimes do tutorials, and most of the time I run off at the mouth. However, I'm on here today because I got a package. I got a package. Hey, hey. I got a package. Yes, I got a package. Got a package. Hey. I got this package from Temu, Temu, however you pronounce it, child. That's where I got this from. And it is yarn. And they gave me some extras on the front of the package. Extras. There are Trusty Dusty yarn needles, but they're plastic and different sizes. There are yarn needles, not yarn needles, what I'm trying to say, knit needles, the short ones. So I guess so I can practice knitting. Then they have some stitch markers, amongst other things, of different sizes. They have the ones that have that shape like the pen. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this because I ain't gonna fight this plastic making all this noise. Okay, good. Put that on off of there. You come here to me. All right. So as I was saying, they have stitch markers shaped like safety pins. Then they have the other stitch markers shaped like earrings. Look them at my ears. Anyway, shaped like earrings or the little circles. Then I got the yarn needles in large and medium size. Then I have cable needles in case I decide to knit. Oh, I thought I had knit needles in these cable needles for my knitting. And then I guess these are cable needles too. Cable needles, the hook kind. You can just put, hook it on there and keep going. How you need to do. There's some more stitch markers. And then I got this big old bag. I had ordered the, it'd be like 28, 28 to 40 or something like that, 28, 40. Well, anyway, I had picked it up because I ain't bought no yarn in a while. And I wanted to. Ooh, giving me a hard time today. And I wanted to just get back on my channel and do some work. Because I ain't been working. I've been BSing, okay? I'm being real with you. Ain't no time for the shenanigans trying to be cute. I'm being real as it comes today. No, I'm not going to cuss. But BS is as cute as close as I'm going to get to it. Anyway, I wanted some yarn that I could do some scrap stuff with. And they had all these little yarns in here. So I decided to deal with that. Let me put this back some. Yeah. Okay. See? All of this. I don't know how many in here. I'm going to have to count them and see. But they are all little bitty skeins. It's a 25 grams, 70 meters. And the rest of it is in Chinese. And since I read the English, I'm not going to try to figure that one out. But they got 2-3 millimeter hook on here and a 1.2 to 2.5 millimeter needles. I guess this is yarn that's small. It almost feel like that yarn I did that flower top with, that I took down. I took a lot of my videos down because they was just basically taking up space, and I wasn't doing nothing but running off at the mouth. I wasn't teaching nothing or showing nothing, so I had to get rid of those. There's quite a few of them that I got rid of, and I think I put some in my private section because it's a lot of people snatching stuff, you know. We on here to share. That's what we're supposed to be doing. But for some reason, even though we sharing, people just take it upon themselves to take and claim your stuff like they did it when they know dang on well that you was the one who started it. However, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. There's 30 of them in here. And I'm going to call these colors out, and then I'm going to put them back in the bag. And one of them I'll probably take out, and I'm trying to find what size, because it looked like a 2 or maybe a 3, like a DK weight. They don't really tell you. They do, but like I said, it's in Chinese, Cantonese, one of them Eases. No offense. It says LILIARG. And so this one is pink. Then there's a purplish, sort of lavender kind of color. Then there's a medium blue. Then there's a, look like an ivory or a cream. I hope y'all can see. I know I don't have the best vision. Red. This look like a tan kind of camel color. It's a brownish color. This one look like a rust. But I wish I could read Chinese, Cantonese, with Mandarin. This one is like a bright yellow. Then we have a white. Then we have a what I would call buff. If this was red hard yarn, this would be like a buff or like a light brown. I had to look in the light and make sure this is black. Then we got like a spring green or a lime green. And this is like a hunter green. We have a light pink. See better. Yeah, light pink. Then there's another beige color. Then we have like a wine color. This one is kind of like a burnt orange. It looks lighter on camera than it actually is. This is a yellowish color. I'm not exactly sure which, like a daisy color, yellow. rose pink. These are so cute. So cute and so little. I normally make some stuff out of that. They feel like acrylic yarn. The feel almost is like Hobby Lobby, not Hobby Lobby. Yeah, Hobby Lobby. I love this yarn. It's soft. It's real soft. Got that lotiony feel. That's like a sunflower yellow. There's two of them in there. I don't know why they gave me two sunflower yellows. They must know I like yellow. Anyway, this is like a light teal. It's not robin's egg, but it's like a light teal. And we got another orange. It's darker than the other one. Well, this was the first burnt orange, and this is a darker orange. Kind of like a sunset color. Then we have gray. And then there is a blue. It's almost royal, but it's a little bit lighter than royal blue, but I guess it'll pass. Then there is a navy blue. Can y'all see that? Yeah, it's navy blue. And there's another orange. It looks more like a neon. But this one, they all smashed up. Neon orange. Then we have a burgundy. This is the wine, and this is the burgundy. And this is the red. Bright. Then we have like a grass green. It's pretty. I know I can make some stuff with all these little. I might have to order another one. They didn't cost that much. This one is like a peach color. But yeah. And then that's that. And all of these cost me with tax and shipping $26.10, which I don't mind spending that kind of money because I'm going to use all these colors. I just wish it was more of them in here than it is. $25 grams. That's weird. The ones from Red Heart is 25 grams. They seem like it's a little bit more in there to me. But I ain't Temu. I just Temu'd right there. Okay. So I'm putting these back in there. Excuse the wrapping. I'm putting them back in. It's so cute. I'm gonna grab one of them and crochet with it. See if I can come up with a stitch pattern or something. See how I crochet up. I got my 5.5 I-9 hook right here. Yeah. Alright. And when I go buy some more, I don't know if they're going to give me the same colors or different colors. I'm not certain. But what I will do is grab one of these and crochet with it so we can see how I crochet up. Hope it looks nice. I haven't been on here in quite a while, and like I was saying before, I took a lot of my videos down because they wasn't productive as I would like them to be. It was basic nonsense, and y'all know who, you know. Me and all my stories when I should have been crocheting. Now I've made quite a few things since the last time I talked to you, and I basically finished my blanket, but I got to weave the ends in, so because of that excuse this plastic rustling. I hope it ain't making too much noise in y'all ear. But because of that, I'm not going to try to show it to you until I'm completely finished with it. Because I know people be tired of me coming on here showing half stuff and don't show what can really be done. So, now I got this pretty light blue here. And I'm going to take this. And I'm going to try to crochet. I don't know. Start something. I'll figure it out. Anyhow. I'm making a slip knot. And I'm going to chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Get back on there. It's slippery. It's slippery. Don't y'all hate them slippery yarns? Don't stay on the hook. Or don't stay on the needles. I hope this stuff don't start splitting on me. I don't like it when it split either. Yarn over and pull through from the first ring. The first chain to make a ring. And I guess I'll start a granny stitch shawl. So we're going to do double crochets here. I'm doing 4. 2 doubles plus that chain to make one side. Then I'm going to chain 2. I'm going to go to the other side. And I'm going to do 4 doubles. That's 1. It crochet pretty nice on this hook. And it's not splitting. I like that. It's just a little slippery. But I can work with it. Okay. There we go. First 4 stitches. I'm sorry. First 8 stitches and 2 chains. So, I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to turn around. And between the first and the second stitch, I'm going to place 3 double crochets. So that's 1. That's 2. And that's 3. Including the chain 3, that makes me have 4 double crochets in that space. Then I'm going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to yarn over. I'm going in between this chain 2 here. That's between the 2 sections. And I'm going to put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to chain 2. And I'm going to yarn back in. Yarn over, stick it back in. Pull up and make 3 more double crochets in this same space. And then I'm going to skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3 double crochets. And then right here, between the last double crochet and the chain 3, I'm going to put 3 double crochets right there. I'm sorry, 4 double crochets right there. One, that's 2, 3, and then 4. I'm just doing regular granny stitches. I'm not trying to be fancy. You know, I just wanted to see how this yarn works up. Then we gonna chain 3. I'm gonna turn, and between the first stitch and the second, I'm gonna yarn over, and I'm gonna put 3 double crochets in that space. Plus the chain 3 makes it 4. I get together eventually. I ain't been on here in a while, so of course I'm gonna be a little rusty. But I'm gonna make it. Yes, I will. Skip 3, yarn over in this space between here. I'm gonna put 3 double crochets there. should have found a middle pull. I'm pulling from the outside. Whatever. Anyway, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and we made it to our corner here. I'm gonna put 3 double crochets in this corner, chain 2, and another 3 double crochets. Y'all have to excuse the film that's on the outside of my mouth. Y'all know what's going on. I ain't finna go through all that. Anyway, 1, 2, and then right back into that same space with 3 double crochets. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and in the next space between those 2 cluster sets, 3 doubles. And we're going to skip these 3, 1, 2, 3, and between the third one and the chain 3, I'm going to put 3 double crochets. I'm sorry, 4 double crochets. 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so when you pull it out, it forms a triangle where you have ascending double crochets on one side and ascending on the other, and you have 2 chains in the middle to separate the 2 sides. Now, I think I want to change color. No, not yet. I'm going to do one more. 1, 2, 3. Turn it. And between the first and the second, 3 doubles plus the chain 3 makes 4. Skip 3 in the next space, 3 doubles. There yarn over there say, I want to be part of it. You gonna get your turn, baby. Just hold on. You gonna get your turn. I'm doing one more row of this color, and then I'm gonna find some other color to go with this. Yay. We made it to this corner, and we're going to do our corner with the 3 doubles, chain 2 and 3 doubles. Am I going too fast? Well, I'm not really teaching. I'm just saying what I'm doing. It's a different way to do my video. Without telling all my business. Some people don't mind when I tell my business, but then there are other people that I don't want to hear that. Why don't you stick to crochet? I'm being nice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, skip into this space, 3 doubles. It's a morning dove outside my window, and it is cooing, and I love that sound. It sounds like an owl, but that's not what it is. It's like a little pigeon. It looked like a pigeon, but I don't know if y'all can hear that. But anyway, it makes this cool sound. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's so cute. She just calling. I don't know if she's letting her babies know the sun's setting. Come get this evening love. Or if she calling for her mate. Or if she just talking to the other birds. Or if she just feel like singing. Anyway, I done made it to the last stitch in the chain 4. Now, with this, see here, I got 2 stitches left. 2 loops left on my hook. I guess I do. Oh, that's too much like right. What y'all think? That look good? I'm gonna try this. Let me see if I can find a middle section. I don't want to pull all the yarn and the thing out. Ah, yay. Not too much, not too much, not too much. Okay. Then I'll make a slip knot with a little loop. I'm going to pull it over my hook. I'm going to pull through these two, tighten those two up. Then I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3 with my new color. And I'm going to turn these babies around and bring them over the top and continue my stitching the way I was at first. In between the first and second, I'm going to put 3 double crochets. And then I'm going to bring it over with me. Now, I'm not going to leave it like that. I'm just measuring out how long the end is so I can snip right there my old color so it'll match. Once I've finished my rowing, I'm going to show you how I cover this up so nobody see. Next, skip 3, next space, 3 doubles. Skip 3, next space, 3 doubles. I'm covering up my end. I'm going to leave this like this because knowing me, I will make me a shawl. Yep, I will. Get the snippers. Got the cute little rainbow snip. See them? I'm going to hook that up. All right, snip. Now, yarn over, skip these 3. Don't worry about them ends. Throw them up. I'm going to show you how to work them in a moment. 3 doubles. Because a lot of us have trusty dusty yarn needles but don't want to use them. Or maybe we can't find them because we done put them down somewhere and it slipped in between the couch covers or couch pillows, or if we're sitting on the bed or in the chair, then slip down in the chair somewhere we can't find it. Chain 2, yarn over, 3 doubles, same space. And so we have to improvise. I don't mind improvising. Improvising is good. Sometimes we just lazy, don't want to get up off our okay? And when we're lazy like that, what we have to do is keep crocheting, keep crocheting, keep crocheting, hey, 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 hey. Keep crocheting, keep crocheting, keep crocheting, hey, 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 hey. And figure out how to work our hook to fit our needs. Amen. I think I got an audience. What y'all think? I think I got a little audience. I heard TVs at first. I don't hear no TVs now. Somebody listening. Like, who's she talking to? I'm talking to my YouTube family. Hello. How y'all doing? I ain't been on here in a while, so I'm ecstatic to be back. Did you miss me? I missed y'all. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Uh-oh. Made a boo-boo. That happens. I was supposed to do 4, and I did 3. So, 1, 2, 3. Now turn it. Okay, there we go. Get back on track. Don't lack. Don't slack. Welcome to Cassandra Jean Henderson's Crochet. I'm back. Yeah. 2, 3, 4. Moving on. Skip 3. 3 in the next space. Now, for those of you who are crocheting with me, thank you. I explained on one of my videos how I have trouble with the camera being around my neck. I can't see too good, so my work will slide to the left or slide to the right, and I'll be out of focus when I'm supposed to be in the mid. So I'm facing you, and you facing me, and you can see what I'm doing and how it's coming out until I get my stuff together, because my stuff is not together. However, I'm doing the best I can with what I got. Sometimes you have to use what you got to get where you need to go. Okay? Moving on. We just keep going till we get to this hamburger joint on the end. I call it a hamburger joint. Bread with the meat in between. Chained 2, 1, 2, and 3. I want to put this thing around my neck and show y'all how to do this so bad. I don't know what to do, but I want y'all to be able to see. And you will not be able to see, because I know me. I'm going to slide to the left, slide to the right. We're going to be doing the crochet shuffle around here. Okay, I made it to where I started my ends, bringing my ends across, 1, 2. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my work upside down like that. I'm going to yarn over, and I'm going to put my hook up under these 2 pieces of yarn down here. And I'm going to continue doing my 3 doubles with the hook under the yarn so that it is weaved in and you don't have to go and find your hook. See? Hope you can see. Yeah. Yarn over. We'll skip these 3. And I'm going to go up under this yarn here. These 2 pieces. And I am going to, wait a minute, did I get both of them? No, I didn't. Okay. Then I'm going to do my 3 doubles up under this to weave it in where you don't see it. And you don't have to go and find your hook. And because it's weaved in on both levels, it's not coming out unless you did some real loose crocheting. If your stitches are real loose, then I can understand it. But if you're a tight stitcher like me to a degree, then you don't have to worry about that. And our last section gonna get 4 double crochets. I'm gonna chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm gonna turn. See, you don't see it. Amen. Amen. Hey now. And we got us a little triangle going on. Yeah. Now I've done 4 of the light blue, so I'm going to do 4 of these, and then I'm going to switch color again. All this fair and love and crochet. Yeah. Yep. I'm trying to figure out. I guess I'll do a white or something close to it. This is the easy stitching because my hook just glides through. I'm not having any trouble at all. There's no splitting. It's just gliding. I'm just crocheting. Skip 3, next space, 3 doubles. This is a granny stitch. Shawl basically is what I'm making. It looked like a 3, but it kind of feels like a 4. But I'm just going to keep going. You got to use what you got to get where you're trying to go. Yeah. I've been on here 35 minutes. Ooh-wee. I'm going to end this very soon. I just wanted to come on here and show that I had been buying some yarn and that I had done some stuff. And see how this yarn works up. So far, so good. Yep, so far, so good. Is it hot where y'all at? It's hot in here. My daughter got I was going to say the heat. My daughter got the cooling system on, the AC. But I got my window open because my plant need air. So I put my plant in the window and opened it up. So the heat from the outside is still coming in, but I'm probably going to close it back because I want to feel the cool air too. By the way, I had a birthday on the 7th of June. I made 58 years young. Yes, I'm a happy camper. Yep. What did I do for my birthday? Slept. I got me some much needed rest. I slept all day. The next day, my daughter and her wife took me to breakfast. I had some strawberry cheesecake filled pancakes and bacon. Yes, I'm a lover of the pork. Yeah. I'm a lover of the pork. Yes, I am. But yeah, we went to Golden Corral, and that was my first, not Golden Corral, not Golden Corral. What is the name of that place? Cracker Barrel. Duh. Cracker Barrel. Yeah. It was pretty good. I enjoyed it. I was happy. God let me live to start a new year of life. People say New Year's Day, January 1st, is a new year, but for me, it's my birthday. My birthday starts a new year. So, I don't get all excited about January 1st, because my birthday is June 7th. Yeah. I should have been listening to Prince all day. I would normally be listening to Prince, but I didn't feel like it. I just felt like sleeping. So I slept. Hope y'all don't mind. Yeah. Maybe along the way, somebody will crochet with me. Yeah. Well, this yarn feels good. You can tell it's acrylic, though. You definitely can tell it's acrylic. I don't know if it's mixed with anything else, because, you know. But, yeah, it feels like acrylic. I got 30 little pieces. Maybe I might make some granny squares out of what's left of them. Start me another blanket. Probably figure out a different way to create a position. Maybe look over some things. This yarn feels light. It don't really feel heavy. Like, hold on a minute. Like this when I was starting on here. This yarn does not feel as heavy as this yarn. This is loops and threads yarn. As you can see, I ran out of this color, so I stopped. I wanted this one to be all this color. In the fall, when it started getting chilly, I wanted to be able to wrap this around me, around my shoulders, and cover up nice. So I was happy to get these little balls of yarn. They help keep me going. And then I can add them to some of the other yarns that I have and make beautiful things. I'm going to order some, well, I want to order some. They're velvet yarns, velvet velourish yarns. I'm trying to stay away from chenille because chenille don't last. You do all that beautiful crocheting, you wash chenille and it just come all apart. So, unless they got one that don't, you know. Because there's some that don't. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I done made it to 4 already. Hey. Let me see what I want to do with my life. What other colors they got in here will go nice with this? I guess I use the cream. The cream or the... Maybe even the... No. I don't think so. Cream look good. That day we had that tornado. I don't know who might have seen that video before I took it down. I took it down because I was on some nervous stuff. I didn't know what to do. I seen that cloud outside and looked on the TV and seen it on the TV. And I was like, hey, they talking about that's coming over here. I was scared. I still got that video though. I might put it back up because it's part of my life. People be making vlogs. I like to make vlogs. But, you know, it's okay. I do these little short videos and I be just as happy as if I was doing a long video. So now I'm on the last one of this row. Find something. Give me, no. I'm going to do the white. The white. Should I get in the middle? Hey. Middle pulls is easy. I like that. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be buying some more of this yarn. Yes, I am. 43. Okay, we're going to try to go to 45. That's going to be the end of it. But yeah. 1, 2, 3. Turn. Flip. Yarn over. In between the first and the second. 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Oops. That one didn't want to stay, did it? It want to fight. Well, I got my hook and gloves on, baby. Let's get it. Okay? Yeah. I got my hook and gloves on today. Yeah. And we just go down with the white the same way we did here. But yeah. So that's my video for today. And stay hooked up. Always stay hooked up. Keep hook alive. Keep hook alive. I love you. Peace.